we have is skippable in-stream ads. These ads are one of the most popular ad formats on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome to our comprehensive guide to YouTube ad formats. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the different types of ads available on YouTube and how to choose the best format for your brand. As we dive into the topic, keep in mind that effective advertising on YouTube requires a deep understanding of your target audience, their interests and behaviors. With that said, let's get started. Number one we have is skippable in-stream ads. These ads are one of the most popular ad formats on YouTube. They allow viewers to skip the ad after 5 seconds and are great for building brand awareness and driving traffic to your website. Skippable in-stream ads can be either TrueView in-stream ads or TrueView video discovery ads. TrueView in-stream ads are shown before, during, or after another video and give viewers option to skip the video after the 5 seconds. We will cover the different types of TrueView in-stream ads and how to create effective ads that viewers will want to watch. TrueView video discovery ads are shown in search results, related videos, and on YouTube homepage. These ad features a thumbnail image and a text and give viewers the option to click and watch the ad. Video discovery ads are the best suited for business that want to drive traffic to their website or YouTube channel. To create effective TrueView video discovery ads, you need to understand your target audiences, search behaviors, and the keywords they are using. Number two here we have is non-skippable in-stream ads. These ads are similar to streamable in-stream ads, but viewers cannot skip them. These ads can be up to 15 to 20 seconds long and are best used for short content and capturing viewer attention quickly. Non-skippable in-stream ads can be effective for increasing brand awareness, but they can also be annoying for viewers. To create effective non-skippable in-stream ads, you need to grab viewers' attention quickly and make the ad engaging and relevant to their interest. So here, number three we have is video discovery ads. Let's get diving. These ads appear in search results and related video sections. They are great for targeting specific keywords and driving traffic to your channel or website. Video discovery ads can be either in display or in search ads. In display ads are shown alongside related videos, while in search ads are shown at the top of the YouTube search results. To create effective in display and in search ads, you need to understand your target audiences, search behaviors, and the keywords they are using. We will cover how to create effective in display and in search ads and how to optimize them for the maximum output. Number four here we have is bumper ads. These ads are short 6-second ads that appear before, during, or after a video. They are great for building brand awareness and increasing ad recall. However, creating effective bumper ads requires a deep understanding of your target audience and their interest. We will discuss the benefits of using bumper ads and how to create engaging ads that capture viewers' attention. Number five here we have is outstream ads. These ads appear on mobile and tablet devices and can be seen outside of YouTube. They are great for increasing reach and targeting specific audiences. However, to create effective outstream ads, you need to understand your target audiences, mobile behaviors, and the type of content they consume on mobile devices. There are different types of outstream ads such as in-feed, in-article ads, and how to create effective ads that will engage your target audience. Number six here we have is masthead ads. These ads are the premium ad placements that appear at the top of the YouTube homepage. These ads are highly visible and can be an effective way to build brand awareness and drive traffic to your business website. However, we can say masthead ads can be expensive, so it's important to understand your target audiences and return on investment you can expect from this type of ad. Now let's discuss about choosing the right ad format for your businesses. Now that we have covered the different types of YouTube ad formats, let's talk about how to choose the right ad format for your businesses. The key to effective advertising on YouTube is to understand your target audiences and their behaviors. This means understand their interests, search habits, and the type of content they consume on platform. Once you have a deep understanding of your target audience, you can choose the ad format that will best reach and engage them. Factors such as goal of your ad campaign, the budget you have available, and the type of content you want to promote. Last but not least, let's discuss about creating effective YouTube ads. Creating effective YouTube ads requires a deep understanding of your target audience and the type of content they want to see. You need to grab their attention quickly, make the ad engaging and relevant to their interest, and provide a clear call to action. To create effective ads, you also need to understand the different ad formats available on YouTube and how to optimize them for maximum impact. Well, we will cover some tips for effective YouTube ad format and how to measure the success of your ad campaigns. Now, let's come to the conclusion. In conclusion, YouTube ads can be effective way to build brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and engage your target audiences. To be successful on the platform, you need to understand your target audiences, choose the right ad format, and create effective ads that grabs viewers' attention and provide value. We hope this comprehensive guide has helped you to understand different types of YouTube ad formats and how to use them to achieve your advertising goals. Thanks for watching.